Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are watching this video right now and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. This will actually encourage me to make more videos for you guys. And also, please don't forget to give this video a like and share it to your friends and family. It might actually help them a lot. Thank you so much as you do that, and God bless you. So today I'm going to show you how you can save some of your informations on a particular app using your Android phone. I don't know, sometimes maybe you have been in a situation whereby you are um, you are asked to do a particular registration and you have limited time, so you need to go back to copy some information, maybe some information that needed for that registration, you understand. And also, especially for those people that do airdrops, sometimes I don't know if you have been in a situation whereby for a particular airdrop, maybe they said the number of people that is required for that airdrops is, let's say for example, is 200, and by the time that you click on the link of that airdrop, you find out that people are already 197, and that means you are left with 3 slots. So in order for you to be among those that will fill up the 3 slots, you have to be fast enough. But because of the fact that you don't have most of your information, you don't have access to most of your information easily, you miss the airdrops, because maybe you have to go back to your trust wallet to copy your wallet address, you have to go back to your social media to copy your username, and you have to, or maybe your phone number or your email address, you need to type it, you understand. But with these steps I want to show you, you don't need to type any information. Even if you know the information offhand, you don't need to type it. All you need is just a shortcut for each information, and no matter how long the information is, if you use a particular shortcut, you'll be able to enter the information easily and at a very fast rate. So just try and watch this video to the end, and you will really thank me later. So what you have to do first is open your Play Store and type into the search box, type Swiftkey Swift key keyboard. You understand? So when you type in Swiftkey keyboard, you have it like this, Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard. So you click on it and then you download and install the app. It's because I've downloaded this, that's why I'm having my own page like this. But if you want to download it for the very first time, you download the app, you install it. After installation, then click on this open. So when you open it, you might not have this page when you are opening it for the very first time. The page that you will have is a registration page whereby you have to register with your Gmail account, you understand, and you have to set the app, that is the Swiftkey keyboard, you have to set it as a default keyboard, you understand. Just try and follow the steps promptly. It's very easy and straightforward. All you have to do is just register with your Gmail account and also set the app as your default keyboard. So just try and do the registration and make sure you get to this page that I am presently, you understand. So when you get to this page, all you have to do is to go through all these settings one after the other. It is not like these settings, it's not like you have to set it to a particular level, you understand, to a particular standard. Rather, all you have to do is just play around with all these settings, set it to your own taste, you understand. Like if you come to this language, all this language, there are several languages here that you can choose. You understand? We have a lot of languages here. So you can see all these languages. So if I want to download, or I want to use any language here, if I click, let's say for example I click on this Arabic, it will ask me to download the Arabic language. Or you can see that it's downloading now, but I'm not downloading it. So any language that you download from the list of the languages here, it will actually show up at this place, where you have this place that you have your languages. These are the two languages that I'm using, Afrikaans and English. So the implication of this one is that any language that you download and it's showing here, that means anytime you want to type a particular language, you understand, the keyboard will actually recognize that language. But if you didn't download any of the language, it will not recognize them. You understand? So that is the simple implication of that. So you can just play around, you can download as many languages as possible as you want. So when you are done with that, any language that you download, you can turn it off, you can turn it on, you understand, with this toggle key. So you can go back, you can click on themes. Now for these themes here, these are the list of the themes that are available on the app. So any themes that you want, just click on this download icon at the bottom of the theme. Let's say for example I want to download this vivid purple. So I'll just click on this download icon and it will download it for me. So when it is done with the downloading, you come to this, you can see that it's done with the downloading. So this, it gives me the option to test the theme that I just downloaded, you understand. So and any theme that you have downloaded, you can go to this yours to view it, you understand. You can go to these are the list of the themes that I've downloaded. So I normally use this one. Yes, I normally use this one. So and if you want to test any of those themes that you have chosen, you can click on this icon here. You can actually test it. You can actually, any of the settings that you do on this page, on this particular page, if you just click on this icon here, you can test your settings, you understand. So just try and play around with all these settings. It's very easy and straightforward. Set it to your own taste. You can actually go to this layout and keys. You can resize your keyboard. You can make it to be smaller, you can make it to be larger, you understand. It depends on you. And when you are done, you can click on OK, then go back, you understand. Just try and play around with all these settings. It's not like maybe there is default settings for each of them. So whenever you set a particular you did a particular settings for your keyboard, just try and click on this icon here to test the settings. So in order for me not to waste your time, let me go to the business of the day. So what I said is that you can actually save some information on this keyboard, so that you can have access to those information easily and at a very fast rate. So now let's say for example I want to save my BNB Smart Chain wallet address on this keyboard to the wallet address whenever I want to use it. So what I have to do is just I will go to my Trust Wallet, then I'll click on my Smart Chain address, Smart Chain, and copy the address. Then what you will do is that you can go to anywhere, you understand. Go to anywhere, your browser, your WhatsApp, anywhere that can make the keyboard to pop up, you understand. So for me, I've come to my Play Store, so I'll click on the search box just for the keyboard to pop up, you understand. Just note that you can go anywhere, but you have to copy what you want to save on the keyboard. You have to copy it first. So after you have copied it, go to anywhere and click so that the keyboard pops up. So when it pops up like this, you click on this arrow by the left hand side of the screen at the top of the keyboard. Click on it. it will give you all these options here. So you click on this center one, this one. So when you click on it, it will give you the option, then you click on manage. So when you are on this page, what you have to notice is that whatever information you just copied will appear as the first information at the top here, will appear at the first one. So all you have to do is just click on that information, then you can put in any shortcut that you like, any shortcut that you can remember with that information. Okay, this one now is my BNB Swiftkey wallet address, so I can say that, okay, let me put a shortcut of BNB, you understand, and I will save. You can see that the shortcut has appeared at the top, which is BNB, you understand. So whenever I want to use the information, maybe I want to use it here now, I don't have to go back to my Trust wallet to copy the wallet address again, or I don't have to be typing OX something, you understand. All I have to do is just to remember the shortcode that I use, which is BNB. I just have to type that BNB, then it will give me the address, that address that's associated with that shortcut. So I will just click on it. That's all, you understand. Instead of typing or you go back to your Trust wallet, I can actually do another one. Like, okay, let's say for example you want to save a particular social media username, you understand. Let's say I have a social media username that's at elite world wide. You can see that this one is taking longer to type, you understand. But instead of me to be, okay, if I want to do any airdrop, I have to type this username again. If I want to do another airdrop, I have to type this username again. Why can't I just save this username with a shortcut, you understand? So I'll just copy this username, I'll copy it, I'll click on copy, then I'll make sure that my keyboard pops up like this, then I'll click on this arrow here, and I'll click on this icon, I'll click on manage. You can see that what I just copied now is appearing as the first word here. So I'll just click on it and I will type in, okay, maybe I want to use shortcut of ELT, you understand. I'll click on save. It's not necessary that you use 3-letter words, you understand. I can actually use only E and save it, you understand. So anytime I want to use it, maybe I want to type it here now, you understand. I don't have to type at elite worldwide, it will take me a very long time to type something like that. So all I have to do is just type E and it will bring it for me at the center here. So I just click on it and that will be all, you understand. So it makes it easier for you to have access to your information easily, and if you want to input any information at a particular time and you have a limited time, you understand, it will actually helps you to input the information at a fast rate, you understand. So that is how to do it. For any of those information that you want to save, just follow these steps and you can save as much as possible on this keyboard. You can save, and if maybe you notice that you don't need some information again, you want to delete them, you can actually come back to this place and swipe to the right or swipe to the left, anywhere, you understand. It will actually delete the information. So that's how to do it. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like, share it to your friends and family. Thank you and God bless you. See you again next time.